Traders are closely watching the drama unfold in D.C. Let's bring in Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. A lot of talk about what could potentially happen to the economy if the debt ceiling is not raised. How is that reflected in the stock market?
Yeah, well, look no further than interest rates. Strange people are having a hard time buying U.S. Treasuries when the government's discussing not funding itself. So that's been a real big drag on the market. Last week we were flirting with the 50-day moving average. This week, kind of breaking below it all across the board, across the major indices. A lot of selling pressure in the Nasdaq, and it's been something I've been talking about for some time. The base case is that Congress will come up with some sort of deal. And the base case is before they do, it'll get dicey. And that's what we're seeing right now. We're coming up across some deadlines. I think the markets still expect something to happen, but are getting a little more nervous the closer we get to that midnight hour.
Joe, we've reached the end of the month and the end of the quarter. What's your expectation?
Yeah, usually we see some volatility around that, and we also get some economic data coming out around that too. So really big quarter coming into the fourth quarter. Companies really key in on this fourth quarter for their years. A lot of their years are just made in the fourth quarter. So yeah, wrapping up this month in September, again, seasonally a very bad month. Going into October, seasonally very volatile month. So this is a big time, and it's really going to set the stage for the rest of the year.
Thank you, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.